Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome to our SOS video series of Don't Worry, We Got This. So today I'm going to teach you about a term in population ecology, which is exponential growth. Okay, so when the population growth, which means r greater than 0, and when r smaller than 0, then it's population decline. Or there also could be a situation where there is zero population growth, which is r equal to 0. So a change in population size during a fixed time interval is delta n over delta t equal to Rn. So n stands for the number of the population size and the t stands for time. And here's the equation of population growth instantaneously. And when the r instantaneously greater than 0 and is constant at each instant in time, then it means exponential population growth. And the exponential growth should be look like a J-shaped curve. And there's also another growth, which is logistic growth. So the major difference between the exponential growth and logistic growth is that the exponential growth model describes how a population grows without any limiting factors, and the logistic growth model describes how a population grows more slowly as it nears its carrying capacity. And carrying capacity is not static, it can change. It's related to, the technology, the environment, and a lot of things. But when the population size overshoots the carrying capacity, then the carrying capacity will be reset. And from the graph here, we could see when the population overshoots the carrying capacity, it will goes down and fluctuate a little bit around the carrying capacity. Okay, so basically that's all you need to know about the exponential growth. But today I want to talk about more about how the number of the COVID-19, which is the newly discovered coronavirus, how's the number of the coronavirus grows. Okay, so here's a graph of the total coronavirus cases in the United States. So from here you could see starting from the March almost like 18th, the number goes up and it almost look like a J-shaped. So basically from here you can know it's exponential growth, which we talked about before. And here's a graph I made. So starting from the March 1st, the cases in United States of coronavirus is only 30. And from March 13th, there's only, not only, but 2,000 cases. Okay, so that's not too bad. But, as the time moving on, you can see the numbers of the cases goes up and up. And from the March 24th, there's already a cases of 46,000. That's a lot. And you could see the daily increase percent is getting larger and larger, and the daily new cases is getting larger and larger. And there's on March 23rd, there's only 7 new cases, but it's just an outlier. It happens. And by March 31st, you can see there's 177,000 cases in United States. That's quite a lot. And by the April 1st, 4 p.m., I got it online. The cases now is 210,000 cases. That's quite a large figure. So the coronavirus now is spreading and growing in an exponential growth way. So please flatten the curve. And what can we do to flatten the curve? So please stay home, stay away from others, 6 feet away, and wash your hand. And what also important is don't panic. Okay, don't be panic, and we got this.